From Taipei to Tokyo to Sydney, Foxconn and Mitsubishi's EV gamble. Hey everyone, welcome back to Taiwan Tech Dispatch, the show where we unpack global tech trends and what they mean for Taiwan and beyond. I'm your host, White Shoe. Today, we've got a pretty exciting story. It stretches from Taipei to Tokyo, all the way to Sydney. We're diving into the surprising new partnership between Foxconn and Mitsubishi Motors. Two very different giants teaming up to make a bold move in the EV world. What's really going on here? Could this reshape how electric vehicles are built and sold? Let's jump in. Chapter 1: A Surprising Alliance. To kick things off, here's the headline. Foxconn, yes, the company known for assembling iPhones, has signed a major agreement with Mitsubishi Motors to jointly develop and build electric vehicles. Why is this such a big deal? Because this is the first time a major Japanese automaker has essentially outsourced the entire EV design and manufacturing process to a tech company. That's a major vote of confidence in Foxconn's capabilities. Mitsubishi brings its heritage, reputation, and global sales channels. Foxconn? They're bringing cutting-edge innovation. Their MIH EV platform, advanced AI, and vertically integrated manufacturing power. It's not your typical partnership, but it's a bold one. Now let's zoom in on Foxconn's EV strategy and how it got here. Chapter 2: Foxconn's EV Playbook. Foxconn's move into EVs didn't just happen overnight. Through its EV arm Foxtron, Foxconn has spent the past few years building out the MIH platform. Think of it like a modular foundation for EVs, customizable for different needs, and built to scale. It allows automakers to accelerate time to market without building everything from scratch. And then there's CDMS, Contract Design and Manufacturing Service. It's Foxconn's car-making version of what they've already mastered in consumer electronics. The idea is simple. Brands focus on customer experience and sales, while Foxconn handles the hard stuff: design, integration, production, even certification. I still remember the first time I saw a Foxtron prototype in person. It was at a tech show in Taipei, and honestly, it didn't feel like a car. It felt like a giant smart device on wheels. Huge touchscreen, cloud-connected everything. That's when it hit me. Foxconn's not copying Tesla. They are building their own category. So how do the responsibilities break down in this Mitsubishi deal? And why is Taiwan such a key piece of the puzzle? Chapter 3: the deal structure. Here's the breakdown. Foxconn is in charge of design, development, and platform integration. Production will happen in Taiwan at Yulong Motors Senyi plant, a modern facility already geared for EV manufacturing. Meanwhile, Mitsubishi brings the brand trust, dealer networks, and regulatory expertise. Their first EV will launch in Australia and New Zealand in late 2026. Those markets offer a relatively low-risk testing ground, modern infrastructure, growing EV demand, and regulatory alignment with Japan and Taiwan. And for Taiwan, this adds another dimension to its role in global supply chains. Not just semiconductors, but full-scale EV production. Let's take a closer look at why Foxconn's CDMS model might be a game changer. Chapter 4: CDMS, Foxconn's secret weapon. What makes CDMS so powerful? It's all about speed and flexibility. Foxconn offers a full-service pipeline, from blueprint to finished vehicle, something that traditional automakers just aren't built for. And let's be honest, most legacy car companies are under pressure. They know they need EVs, but building a new platform takes years and billions in R&D. CDMS flips that around. It's fast, cost-efficient, and it gives car brands a way to compete without reinventing the wheel. It's kind of like how TSMC lets fabless chip companies scale quickly. Foxconn is now doing the same for smart vehicles. So, what happens next? Who else might want in on this model? Chapter 5: What's next? Nissan, Honda. This Mitsubishi deal could open the floodgates. If it goes well, don't be surprised if Nissan, Honda, or even Mazda start exploring similar partnerships. Foxconn has the infrastructure, the platform, and now a real case study in motion. And it's not just Japanese automakers watching. Brands in Southeast Asia like Vinvest or even niche European EV startups could benefit from Foxconn's model. Everyone wants a shortcut into the EV market. Foxconn might just be it. And for Taiwan, this is an incredible opportunity. Companies like Hota Industrial, BizLink, and other local suppliers could see major gains as Foxconn expands its EV business. All right, time to bring it all together. Final thoughts and takeaways. The Foxconn Mitsubishi deal isn't just about two companies working together. It's a sign that the lines between tech and transportation are disappearing. car making is no longer just about engines and steel. It's about software, data, and speed. Foxconn is betting big that it can become the go-to manufacturer for the EV era, just like it did for smartphones. And Mitsubishi is showing that even century-old car makers are ready to adapt fast if they find the right partner. For Taiwan, this is more than just another export. It's a new chapter, one where we're helping to build the future of mobility. Thanks for tuning in to Taiwan Tech Dispatch. If this episode got you thinking, do me a favor. Share it with a friend who's curious about the future of EVs or about Taiwan's growing tech influence. Want to go deeper? Read the full blog post over at whiteazoo.blog. And don't forget to subscribe on Spotify or check out the video version on YouTube. Let's stay in touch. Follow me on LinkedIn or Facebook for more insights every week. Until next time, stay curious, stay informed.